Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in the online computer class. Today we are going to study draw tool, fill tool, eyedrop tool and gradient tool in Synfig Studio. Let us learn draw tool. Children, this is draw tool. Present on the middle palette of the toolbox. This tool is used for freehand drawing. You can draw with the help of a mouse. All you need to do is select the outline color and select the fill color. Then select draw tool. Then from tool options panel, select create outline and create region. Then just left click and drag to draw. So I will draw a lamp. Now select only create outline. Deselect this create region. Now let us draw the same lamp. Now in this figure, we had selected both options, create outline and create region. So the fill color and outline color both are present in this figure. Fill color is this and outline color is this. Now here in this figure, we had only specified create outline. So here fill color is not present, only the outline is present. Keep in mind that for each stroke drawn here, a layer will be created. So for drawing a lot, it's not really practical to use this draw tool because how much ever strokes you are applying here, that much layers will be created. Now you can alter the points by clicking on transform tool first and then on the figure. So here this like this. So green duck is used to change the position of the drawing. This yellow duck is used for curves. Like this. Whereas this orange ducks are the vertices. Now let us erase this drawing. Right click, delete layer. Alright, the next tool we have is the fill tool. This is the fill tool present on the toolbox. So what does it do? It allows us to fill a shape with colors. Let us create a circle using circle tool. Select circle tool. From tool options panel, select create circle layer. Only one option you select. Now we'll create a circle. This circle's fill color is yellow color. To fill the color in this circle, or to fill the color in this object, select the fill tool. This is fill tool. Then select color from the color palette. This is color palette. Select any color of your choice. Suppose I select red color. After that, click or left click on the object. So you can see the color of the circle has changed. The fill color of circle has changed. So now suppose I want to change this color to say green color. Select green color. Select the object. So now the fill color of the circle is green. You can also change this color from shapes properties or parameters panel. See the color option here. Double click on that. Select whichever color you want. Suppose I choose this pink color. Then you can see that the color of circle changes to pink. Suppose I select this magenta color. So you can see that the color of the circle has changed. Blue color. So circle is now blue color. Red color. Circle is now of red color. This tool, that is fill tool, has an effect on the following layers: circle layer, rectangle layer, polygon layer, star layer, region layer, outline layer, checkboard layer. The other layers except this are not affected by this tool because they use gradient to fill the visual area. Now let us erase this circle. So for that we have to go in layers panel. One layer is created. Select that layer. Right click it. Delete layer. So this circle has vanished. And the next tool is the eyedrop tool. Children, this is eyedrop tool. The eyedrop tool allows you to select colors from the work area. Here in the work area or on the canvas, a rectangle is drawn which is of green color. But this foreground color is blue, dark blue color, and background color is orange. Now select the eyedrop tool and then click in the work area. So to set the default foreground color in the toolbox to be the color you are currently pointing at. Children, currently we are pointing at green color and this is foreground and that is of blue color. Now this blue color will change to green color by just selecting or pointing at this rectangle. Now for setting the background color, this is the background color, orange color. Just switch colors, this one, before and after using the eyedrop tool. Now I'll switch the color, just press this once, it is switched. Now using eyedrop tool here, this orange color is there. Circle is of yellow color. So this color we will change to yellow color by using eyedrop tool. Select eyedrop tool, click here on this circle. So you can see now this color, it has changed from orange to yellow color. Now again swap it. So now the foreground color is of green and background color has become yellow. The next tool is the gradient tool. This is the gradient tool present on the toolbox. It is the most interesting tool. The gradient tool is used to create smooth transition between two or more colors in an object. This is the default gradient. Now suppose I change the outline color. Say I give red color here. They close. So the combination of green and red color is created here. Suppose if I change the fill color, say I give as yellow color, close. So the combination of red and yellow color is created here. When you select the gradient tool, the tool options panel will show the options for the gradient tool. These are the options for the gradient tool. It allows us to set a name for the layer. Suppose I give here gradient 3 and choose the type of gradient. There are 4 types of gradient: linear gradient, radial gradient, conical gradient and spiral gradient. Now we will see what is a linear gradient. So select it. Linear gradient, as the name suggests, produces a simple transition in a straight line. First, set your foreground and background colors. Then click where you want the gradient to begin and drag where you want the transition to end. A gradient will be created perpendicular to the line you drag out. You can edit the gradient by moving the end point. This is the end point in any direction. Each time a different layer will be created. See. See how it works. See, a new layer is created in the layers panel. By clicking on gradient option in parameters panel, we can even change the colors of the gradient. Double click, select the colors. So like this, we can change. Close. The next one is radial gradient. Select gradient. In the tool options panel, select radial gradient. Now after that, choose the appropriate foreground color and background color. Suppose foreground color I choose as say blue and background color I choose as say light pink. Close. Click where you want the center of the circle to be and drag to set the radius of the transition. See, this radial gradient produces circular colors with transition being at the center of those circles. Now use the transform tool to edit the center and point and radius. As you know that blue duck is used to, this is the blue duck used to change the radius of the circle, and green duck is used to change the position of the circle like this. Again I'll change the radius, make it small, position of the circle. Radius. one layer is created in the layers panel. We can change the color of the gradient from gradient option in parameters panel. Click there. Now set a color. Suppose say orange. Close. Here. Next is a conical gradient. Select gradient tool. Select foreground color, background color. Suppose I select dark blue color and background color I choose as say magenta color. Close. Now select conical gradient from the tool options panel. Conical gradient. Click to set the center and drag to indicate the direction in which the foreground and background color should go. The center end point can be adjusted to move the center of the gradient like this. The other end point adjust the direction of the gradient. To edit afterwards, use the transform tool and then drag it. See the changes. A layer has been created in layers panel for this gradient, conical gradient, and we can even change the color of this conical gradient from the gradient option in parameters panel like this. Next is a spiral gradient. Select gradient tool from the toolbox, then select spiral gradient from tool options panel. Now click to set the center of the spiral and drag to set the tightness. This produces a spiral gradient. To edit afterwards, use the transform tool. This duck is used to increase the radius. Green duck is used to set the center of the gradient, spiral gradient. Dark blue duck. See what changes it creates. Decrease the radius, that is tightness of the circle increases. Still more small, bigger, small, radius. Shift it. Shift the center. A layer is created in the layers panel. To change the color of the gradient, from the gradient option in parameters panel, select it, double click. Now choose the colors. So whatever gradient you create using gradient tool, each time a new layer will be created in the layers panel. Next time we will study some other remaining tools from the toolbox of Synfig Studio version 0.63.05. Thank you. Have a good day.